Oh. Well, this is the biggest toy company in the world. Most famous. They got weird shit going on up in the ceiling, lower level. Oh man.
Here's a pet dog.
Where? Oh man, they're dog friendly here at Schwartz. Very cool.
You buy that, it's a toy.
Oh, is it? Remote control, huh?
Gee, what is that thing on the thing?
Oh dude, he's making the puppets.
It's like Build-A-Bear. Prove it. Just kidding.
Does it really talk? Can I put my hand in it? Now?
Next one right here. Next one. Hey, next one.
Oh, nice. Here, hold this.
Hold on, dude, you're in the way.
Todd.
I'm Todd York. I've been living here in New York for 4 months. I work at Gold Sachs. I make the big dollar. That's a good video.
It's just